Never run out of battery again with the INIU portable charger, the slimmest 10,000 milliamp hour power bank that keeps your devices charged on the go. Stay powered up wherever you go. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
California's plan to phase out gas-powered cars by 2035 has been met with resistance from Congress, as Republicans in the House of Representatives have voted to express disapproval of the state's Advanced Clean Cars II rule. The resolution passed with support from all 211 GOP lawmakers and 35 Democrats who crossed party lines. The Biden administration granted California a waiver under the Clean Air Act in December last year, allowing the state to move forward with its ambitious policies. However, this waiver isn't considered a rule that can be overturned under the Congressional Review Act, according to the Nonpartisan Government Accountability Office. The Senate's parliamentarian has also issued a ruling stating that the waiver is not subject to the CRA. The possibility of the Senate being unable to block the rule has raised concerns among automakers and the energy sector. Phil Flynn, Fox Business Network contributor and Price Futures Group's senior account executive, believes banning gas car sales in 2035 is unachievable due to the electric cars' lack of readiness for mass usage and challenges building charging infrastructure. The marketplace isn't ready for it, he said. Consumer demand for EVs has recently dipped, and the power grid isn't strong enough to accommodate a surge in electricity demand from EVs. Flynn thinks Congress is trying to stop California from going over the cliff with this policy. He calls it madness and hopes they'll turn back. The Alliance for Automotive Innovation's president and CEO, John Bozzella, has welcomed the House's vote to advance the resolution. He believes regulations that everyone agrees are too far ahead of consumer demand and charging infrastructure will lead to jobs and manufacturing fallout. Time is ticking, he adds, as automakers may be forced to adjust their vehicle shipments in just a matter of months. California's push for stringent EV requirements aims to cut back on fossil fuel use and carbon emissions. The state has become the fourth largest economy, with its new ranking topping Japan. But this policy may be unachievable, and Congress needs to take action to prevent disastrous consequences.